But looking at Mission Kali activities, we do not judge entire Hindu population as terrorist group. We only consider Mission Kali as extremist group. Don't know why Mission Kali is so worried of the Ku Klux Klan group as it is the issue of America. If at all Mission Kali wants to worry, it should worry about their own organization and other fanatic anti-constitutional organizations like No Conversion, String Reliefs, Intellectual Kshatriyas, Neeraj Athri, Sanjay Dikshit of Jaipur Dialogues, and moreover the RSS which spread communal hate by fake news and fake history. My humble suggestion and request to Mission Kali is to think about the future of India. Let Americans deal with the Ku Klux Klan group and us about Indian-based Hindu terrorist organizations.
Namaskar. Welcome to Gnani's World.
In this video, we are going to discuss another tweet from hatemonger Hindutva fanatic Twitter handle Mission Kali. Here is the tweet for your reference. Mission Kali tweeted this tweet with this caption: "Many brutal wars and genocides happen because of the so-called religion of love. Nobody can deny it, just saying." And the quote in the shared image is of David G. McAfee, who is an American atheist. Mission Kali spreading all these lies to protect Hindu Dharma means itself following a religion and taking the quote of atheists to spread hate on Christianity and to blind people to stay in Hindu religion. I leave this to their conscience as they are doing not for Dharma but for their livelihood. Dear viewers of Gnani's World, as per the tweet, 4 things need to be clarified here. Number 1, about crusades. Number 2, about the Ku Klux Klan group. Number 3, about Hitler religion. And number 4, imperial colonization of America. About first point, crusades, we have seen in the last video, and the link of the same is given in description box for the people who did not watch it. In this video, let us see the second point about the Ku Klux Klan group. The Ku Klux Klan group is an American white supremacist terrorist hate group whose primary targets are African Americans as well as Jews, immigrants, leftists, homosexuals, Catholics, Muslims, and atheists. In one word, it is extremist group and now has no influence. When Mission Kali shared this tweet, it should have thought about its own agenda and organization. For us, Mission Kali and the Ku Klux Klan group both are same. Mission Kali working to protect their dharma and hating other religious people and spreading hate on other religions in India. The Ku Klux Klan group did the same to protect American white supremacists in America. Both are extremist group and both are harmful. But looking at Mission Kali activities, we do not judge entire Hindu population as terrorist group. We only consider Mission Kali as extremist group. Don't know why Mission Kali is so worried of the Ku Klux Klan group as it is the issue of America. If at all Mission Kali wants to worry, it should worry about their own organization and other fanatic anti-constitutional organizations like No Conversion, String Reliefs, Intellectual Kshatriyas, Neeraj Athri, Sanjay Dikshit of Jaipur Dialogues, and moreover the RSS which spread communal hate by fake news and fake history. My humble suggestion and request to Mission Kali is to think about the future of India. Let Americans deal with the Ku Klux Klan group and us about Indian-based Hindu terrorist organizations. Dear viewers of Gnani's World, it is really unfortunate that many Hindus label other religious communities as terrorists, but at the same time denies the existence of Hindu terrorism. Many Hindus doesn't even consider RSS, VHP, Bajrang Dal, Ramasena, Sanatana Sanstha, Dharmasena to be terrorists, let alone condemning them. They consider all these terror groups to be social workers. In this video, we shall mention some of the terrorist activities perpetrated by members of RSS, VHP, Bajrang Dal, as many radical Hindus keep asking for the proofs of their terror activities. CIA has named VHP Bajrang Dal as religious militant organization in World Factbook. The first terrorist of independent India was Nottama Godse, as alleged RSS leader who killed Mahatma Gandhi. He had close ties with RSS and Hindu Mahasabha members. As a result, RSS was banned by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. But the ban was lifted after the RSS promised Patel that they would be away from politics and would not contest any elections. So far, RSS has been banned thrice. Another time when Babri Mosque was demolished. Right-wing Hindu terror groups are immune from all the criminal laws due to their political backing. In fact, BJP leaders get instructions from RSS. And also due to the support it gets from the huge right-wing Hindu army, and because of these things, Hindu terror organizations are not banned. RSS, VHP, Bajrang Dal has 5 million members each. Detailed video of why was RSS banned after the murder of Gandhiji is given in description box. Kindly watch it and know the truth about RSS.
Let us see the VHP terrorist activities. Gulbarg Society Massacre Case. Gujarat HC grants bail to convicted VHP leader Atul Vaidya. Babri Masjid Demolition Case. VHP leaders surrender in court, get bail. VHP leader Sadhvi Prachi says it's time to make India free of Muslims. Behead Zakir Naik and get 50 lakhs rupees, says VHP leader Sadhvi Prachi. VHP Bajrang Dal men storm Orissa Assembly and indulged in massive vandalism, causing extensive damage. VHP and Bajrang Dal attacks Morcha Mosque for not stopping azan, that is Muslim call to prayers. 1999, unprecedented attacks against churches and Christians in several parts of the country reveal the violent new game plan of Hindutva's fringe foot soldiers of extremist Hindu groups, mainly the Vishwa Hindu Parishad (VHP) and the Bajrang Dal. Rampage through gangs, burning half a dozen churches, vehicles and 2 mission schools and battling Christians. 1998, the VHP's Rajasthan unit has vowed in print to make Banswara district Christian-free within 3 years. Shiv Sainik Anand Deke declared war on Christian churches, indulging in anti-Hindu talk. 1988, while the police remained silent spectators, several newspapers in Gujarat added to the problem with their biased and inflammatory writing, the team said. Several inflammatory pamphlets printed by the VHP and the Bajrang Dal were being openly distributed in Gujarat in clear violation of penal laws, they added. 1999, copies of the Bible were burned by VHP and Bajrang Dal workers at the IP Mission School at Rajkot on July 20. The VHP said that the school authorities had ought to convert the pupils to Christianity by asking them to sign on the last page of copies of the New Testament under a statement that they had accepted Jesus Christ as their Savior. The school authorities denied this claim. Convert or we will kill you, Hindu lynch mob tells fleeing Christians. Mob said struck a fire suspecting beef transportation. The mob was allegedly led by VHP and Bajrang Dal activists. VHP member Sarvana Kumar arrested for hurling petrol bomb at CPIM headquarters in Coimbatore. VHP defense attack on Haryana church, says rape of nuns is Christian culture. VHP Joint General Secretary Surendra Jain on Monday defended the demolition of a church in Hisar, Haryana, asking whether Christians would allow construction of a Hanuman temple in Vatican City. According to a prominent daily, Jain also claimed that the 1857 War of Independence was in fact a communal war and threatened that more such wars would be fought in future if Christians did not stop converting. Now, let us see Bajrang Dal terrorist activities. Bajrang Dal, the militant phase of the Saffron family. August 25th, 2 die in Kanpur when a bomb explodes. It transpires these were Bajrang Dal activists who were making explosives. August to September 2008. Spate of attacks on Christians in Orissa and Karnataka. Karnataka unit head Mahendra Kumar arrested. Home Ministry says Bajrang Dal is behind the attacks. April 2006. 2 Bajrang Dal activists die in Nanded while they were making bombs. The same group a suspect in 2003 Parbani Mosque Plus. January 1999. Dal mob led by its local leader Dara Singh, burnt alive Graham Staines and his 2 little sons in Orissa. Hindu terrorist organization Bajrang Dal Men gets arms training to save Hindus. Bajrang Dal recruits gets arms training in 2003. Man torture for converting 3 Hindus to Christianity by Bajrang Dal. The ATS arrested 16 Bajrang Dal activists for the earlier blasts. Bajrang Dal cadre attacks churches in Karnataka. Bajrang Dal raises Children's Army guns, swords on display in Noida. Bajrang Dal Hindu fanatic murders 2 Hindus, mistaking them to be Muslims.
Church vandalized in Raipur by Bajrang Dal extremists entered the church chanting Jai Shri Ram, ripped off women's clothes and also threw 2-year-old boy. Bajrang Dal terrorists beats up Christians for allegedly converting Hindus in Madhya Pradesh. Bajrang Dal Hindu terrorists beats up Muslim couple for dirtying the locality and gang rapes Muslim women. Bajrang Dal Hindus extremists burn up Christian missionaries with his 2 sons. Bajrang Dal incited 2008 Kandhamal riots. 2 Bajrang Dal activists among 7 booked for attacking Dalit family. 2 Muslim women trashed by Bajrang Dal terrorists for allegedly carrying beef, that was buffalo meat. Bajrang Dal men raped, tried to hang me after the beating. Bulandshahr woman tells court. Christian missionary Graham Stewart Staines charged to death by Bajrang Dal terrorists. Bajrang Dal activist Bhuvit Shetty defends killing of MM Kalburgi, says Professor Bhagwan is next target. Bajrang Dal activists came to Hayat B's house brandishing weapons after spreading rumors that cow has been slaughtered and has conspired to spark communal riot. Raghavendra from Yaru Padaibetu, a staff at the local MLA's office, is the primary suspect. Sandeep, Sunil, Nagaraju, Chandrahasa, Santosh and Prakash are the other suspects. Bajrang Dal goons detained after communal clash in Surat. Communal clashes broke out in Surat on Monday morning after a severed head of a cow was found near Maharana Pratap Chowk in Godadra area. Cow vigilantes were found from VHP Bajrang Dal. Alwar man told police before dying. Bajrang Dal activists attacked police station in Agra to rescue 5 from lockup, 14 held. Bajrang Dal attacked police station in Bhopal to rescue their leader Kamlesh Thakur. Bajrang Dal leader Manas Mohanty held for inciting violence in Bhadrak. 3 beef traders from Malegaon assaulted, 9 arrested. 7 of the arrested assailants belong to the Bajrang Dal. Cow vigilantism. GRP arrests 2 Bajrang Dal activists in Odisha capital. Bajrang Dal marches with weapons in Firozabad. Police act as escort. Citing conversion, Bajrang Dal goons pull out 5 women from train. To protect cows, fight love jihad. Bajrang Dal disputes Trishuls to youth in Gujarat. Report. 2 Bajrang Dal men held for Raiwala violence. 10 other identified.
5th of January 2018. Police hunt for Bajrang Dal leader Mahesh Shinoy and his associates for attempt to kill 3 Muslim men, Sheikh Mohsin, Muhammad and Salman at Bangla Gude. 6th of March 2018. Bajrang Dal men allegedly chopped off the fingers of a Muslim woman, Roshan Bibi Syed, in Chatral town of Gandhinagar district in Gujarat for disobeying the Hindu right-wing group's diktat to remain indoors. 6th of June 2018. Udupi cattle trader Hussein Abbas death. 3 cops, 8 Bajrang Dal activists arrested. 19th June 2018. Pastor thrashed by Bajrang Dal men, booked by police for trying to convert 11 men. 5th of February 2019. Karnataka. Bajrang Dal workers burn canteen, assault Muslim women running it. 22nd August 2019. Bajrang Dal leaders arrested for terror funding. Madhya Pradesh ATS arrests 5 from Satna for terror funding to Pakistan. According to information, those arrested include Sunil Singh, Shubham Tiwari, Bhagwendra Singh, besides Balram Singh and one other local man. 4th of October 2019. Bajrang Dal leader Yogesh Raj, a prime suspect in Bulandar Shah violence and murder of Police Inspector Subodh Singh, granted bail and got hero's welcome. Finally, let us see the anti-constitutional terrorist activities of BJP. Bombs, pistols seized from BJP leader Sanjay Yadav's house in MP. BJP leader Fani Mondal caught with 500 bombs in Malda, West Bengal. Assam, BJP leader, 2 others get life term for terror funding. 2 BJP leaders among 13 convicted for supplying arms to Naxals. Bulandar Shah violence. Bajrang Dal, BJP and VHP members booked for corpse murder. Accused number 1 complained of cow slaughter. 170 weapons seized from BJP leader Dhananjay Kulkarni's Dombivli shop. 2 BJP local leaders arrested in Tripura for desecrating Hindu idols in temples in 2 different incidents. 1 more bomb was exploded at BJP activist's home in Perambavoor, Kerala. The house is partially damaged in the explosion, but no one is injured. Police seized the gun which was found inside and took the accused Unnikrishnan into custody. Dear viewers of Jnani's World, truth is in front of you, so decide by yourself. Now, I challenge hate-monger Mission Kali to share the evidences against Christians of India as I shared the evidences against the followers of their dharma. In next video, let us see about Hitler and who supported Hitler and implementing his ideology in India. Kindly subscribe to this channel and press bell icon for further updates. Also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you.